We are going to cover the check your understanding questions that are in your book, except I made a worksheet for you because the book doesn't give you graphs. So just like before, we are going to graph both of these lines and see where they intersect, and that intersection point is going to be our solution. So the first problem is y equals negative 2x plus 5, and that's already in slope-intercept form. So we're going to start by plotting our y-intercept, which is 5. Our slope is a negative 2, or we could think about that as a negative 2 over 1. So my rise is negative 2, and my run is 1. And because it's a negative, my line needs to be decreasing. So down 2 over 1. Keep plotting as many points as you can. And we're going to go up 2 over 1 the other direction. And you can use a ruler if you have this paper printed out, or you can use the line tool on Kami, because we want this to be a straight line when we connect it. So use the line tool instead of trying to use your mouse. So there's the first graph. Our second graph, we have a y-intercept down at negative 4. So on your y-axis, go down to negative 4. And then my slope here is a positive 1 over 4. So it's going to be increasing or inclining from left to right. So up 1 over 4. And we found our intersection point already. But again, use your ruler or the line tool to connect your points with a straight line. Now this right here is my solution or my intersection point. And remember, we write it as an ordered pair, x comma y. So my x coordinate needs to come first, and that's how many spaces I moved left or right. Go in and out of your elevator first. So we went over to a positive 4. And then your y coordinate comes next. So how many did we move up or down? Looks like it's down at a negative 3. So 4, negative 3 would be our answer here. Now, I would like you to do letter B, C, and D, and then you can turn it in. For letter B, both of these lines need to be converted to slope-intercept form. We need to alter it. Y equals mx plus d. So we want to solve both of these equations for y. So I need you to type out or write out your work, show every step, and then you're going to graph these lines and tell me their solution point or their intersection point. And you're going to do the same thing for letter C and D. You can do it. If you need help, join Zoom or send us a message.